16 سنة وعنا لك أنا تبان سمينها دوين اسمها
And we put 50 stars tailored on the right side of the flag. The flag needed another 50 stars on the left side because this is not cloth material, this is hand woven.
This incredible story begins with Nadifo Dalmar and her son Ahmed Hussein, immigrants from Somalia who sought refuge in the United States in 1993 after the civil war in Somalia in 1991.
markii civil war uu ka dhacay maxaa ahaayay wadankeeni oo dadkeeni oo baaba'ay oo dhibaato ay ku dhacday sidii ay noo soo dhaweeyeen oo noo garab qabteen oo ku mahadinayna.
Nadifo and Adam share a profound love for America and a deep desire to give back to the country that offered them a new home.
dad badan buu dhibaato ka bixiyay caalamka kan kuwa badan oo hadda dhibaataysan uu ka bixinaya.
In 2000, Adam came up with an inspiring idea to create the American flags as a tribute to their adopted nation.
We made this just for the love that we have for the United States of America. The idea was mine, and Mom was the mechanic hand that was making the flags.
calanka samayntiisa ra'yada Adam baa lahaa anuguna actionkii baan lahaa waa sameeyay.
What they did next will indeed surprise you. They embarked on a challenging 16-year journey to handcraft 2 twin flags, each measuring 4 feet by 7 feet and weighing 7 pounds. Why did it take 16 years to build?
Because it is a very hard and sophisticated. It goes very slowly, P-style system of weaving, and we continued making the flag for 16 years.
Their dedication to this project knew no bounds. While some materials were sourced locally in the United States, others were imported from Somalia.
The thread, this red, white, and blue thread, we imported them from Africa, and the stars and the sash decoration,
this one's here.
We bought them from United States of America local stores.
These flags became more than symbols. They became companions on Nadifo's trips back to Somalia, a tangible link between her past and present.
حتى Somali uu tagay meeshan waa ka guuray African waan qaaday container alaabta ku jirtay waa lagu daray asagiyo kan kalaba wuxuu tagay Kismaayaan haddana ka socodiyay
oo
inta waana dhameeyay.
The journey was difficult, filled with countless sleepless nights and personal sacrifices.
xanuun badan baan la kulmay
oo
joogta ilaa uu joogta u sameynayay xanuunkii badna haddana dalka ma gelin lag uma dhigin waxaan ama jiryo xanuun ama xanuunin waan badlamaan calankan
intay rabtaa qaado. Yet their unwavering commitment to their mission kept them going, even in the face of skepticism from their community.
macnaha uu leeyahay ma yaqaanaan laakiin anigu macnaha uu leeyahay baan aqaanaa oo u sameeyay guna abaalgudahaya United States of America.
In 2016, their dreams finally became a reality after they completed both flags. Nadifo and Adam proudly presented to their community at the Abu Bakr Islamic Center, a hub for the Somali community in Takwila.
We presented and introduced the flag to the Somali community mosque at Abu Bakr. And then they said, this is amazing.
One of the flags even found a special place in the office of Dow Constantine, the King County executive.
They called Mr. Dow Constantine, the general manager of the King County government of United States of America. And we gave him like this,
The other one,
like this
the second
flag, the other one. We handed it over to him, and we didn't take money from him. We gave him free of charge, and he said, I just want to thank Nadifo Tremendos.
However, Nadifo and Adam's aspirations extend further. They now aim to transport the remaining flag beyond Washington State all the way to the nation's capital, Washington, D.C.
This one will be given to the Oval Office of the President of the United States of America.
You're promising that?
I promise that.
Nadifo and Adam exemplify the core values of America: hard work, dedication, and resilience.
aniga iyo madaxda United States of America presidentaha ku-xigayaasha kulligood inaan ishor fariisano oo saan oo kaleeto aan u hadlahay aan ula hadlo.
This is a gift for the United States of America, people and government, particularly the office of the President of the United States of America too.